Thank you, and thank you, Shiblubai, for setting this up and then joining and hosting all this. But yeah, a little bit of background of me. I'm currently, like you said, a federal DevOps engineer for kind of the government side, and a little bit of background of me. The way how I kind of got started into all of this was from TS4U, right? Just doing the DevOps engineer bootcamp, doing it daily, studying all the contents, and then, just doing the coursework daily, going back and forth with Shiblubai. And then, of course, after learning all the contents, going into the job market, and then, going through trial and error through the job market, and then eventually landing this role. And a little bit of kind of what I do on a daily basis is, so it's kind of weird. I'm in a weird situation where I am a DevOps engineer, but I do that 50-50 along with testing. And that's one of the kind of, I guess you would say, new requirements for these types of jobs, where they want you to become like a little bit of tester, where they also want you to test the system and testing everything you're working on. But aside from testing, kind of what I do as a DevOps engineer is exactly what the course kind of taught us, especially learning and using Docker, write a lot of the Docker files, create a lot of the Docker images, push it into GitLab CI. We replace and add a lot of new images. So mostly kind of working on those Docker files and then working on the CI/CD pipeline. We use GitLab for our CI/CD process, but that's kind of what I've been doing so far as my role as a DevOps engineer at my job right now.
So I have a quick follow-up questions. It's just kind of refreshing and reminding. Remember why we actually covered the testing on every program? In the MARN we injected testing. In the DevOps we injected a lot of Postman. Remember all of this? So you see what is the value?
When we were doing it in the course, I was like, why is he teaching that? We don't need to know testing. Yeah. But then on the job, of course, now we do a lot of testing. And it's not just me, it's all the software engineers, all the developers, even the PO, right? Everybody does testing. They got everybody doing, even everybody.
Yeah, if it's funny, but if the White House system is down, this guy, the Biden, will start the testing. The reality is, it is that serious, because when things are in production, like everybody become a tester. So the purpose is everybody have the quality mindset. Of course, QA team is responsible, but nowadays the things are so blended that naturally we are expecting you should do everything. You are not doing right, but I'm expecting that touch the surface, so that you are engaging, you're participating, and you are actually contributing. So yeah, I'm glad that you found it true. So if you're hearing the quality assurance or the positions are so blended, you cannot just believe it, because this is just how it is nowadays. Well, thank you.